Okay, so we are here now to try to draw the world map over here. So many a times the question often we see in the examination related to the say in the geography for the ocean currents and in the other economic questions like resources and international relations, where we need to draw the world map. So first of all, without any prejudices and without having any kind of preconceived notion, first try to focus on the world map. Okay, so you need to go step by step in order to draw the world map. It's not always about the perfection while drawing the world map. Like we really don't care about some portion, but we do really need to focus on those map or those lines which are more important in our questions. So I am uh, moving my pen so you can visualize the this part of the world. Okay, so this is all you know, that's Alaska, but it's kind of leftward. If we take the America in this kind of fashion, then if we observe this place, that it's like this kind of leftward. First of all, you need to visualize this. Second, as we go down, this kind of feature is also different from normal line, and then this is the line. Okay, after that, this portion is not mainly shown for any question, so we'll try to draw this kind of feature here. Okay, after by going down here, this is the Gulf of Mexico region. Okay, so in Gulf of Mexico region, first we need to go a little bit down and then make it kind of peninsula, and then turn our pen like this. This North America and South America connected via this small narrow strip, so we need to go there by this. After that, we usually see that the equator passes below the India, goes something like this. Okay, so it gets extended to the Brazil. So we need to start the uh, South America above the equator. Okay, fine. Okay, so for South Africa, we need to try to draw the samosa. We all know samosa, but the shape of samosa is kind of inverted, the upside down samosa. Visualize this as the part of base of the samosa, and this is the upper portion of the samosa. Okay, fine. After that, when we go to the Africa, then again one thing we need to visualize this, that if this is the equator line, then this bump will come and finish before the equator. Okay, and this kind of again inverted samosa is come below the equator. Okay, fine. After that, this portion is mainly we need to take in a focus, because many international relation questions revolve around uh, uh, India and nearby countries. So uh, first, after moving from the Africa, we need to move our pen little bit left side and then come again and make this portion. Okay, and then here, come here, below this, and here. Okay, we will not focus on the Gujarat, just draw the one again inverted samosa and then move our pen like this. Okay, when it comes to Europe, then from the Africa we only go by this, and take the Italy and then just sliding our pen here, and then again try to make this peninsula of the Scandinavian Nordic countries, and we'll go there, making the Great Britain in this fashion, and the upper course of the Russia is kind of line because we really don't show any kind of mapping over here. Okay, just keep in mind that the Alaska is bit left of the America. In same fashion, the some portion of the Russia goes rightward from the main map, and then this kind of Kamchatka Peninsula come down and just go upward, and this. Okay, so so far we are coming half of the Asia. So this Japan is kind of island country, so we'll try to make the Japan as the small 2 to 3 islands, and we'll focus upon this kind of shape for the China. To show the China, this shape is most important. So we'll move our pen like this and show the China. If you want to make the detail, then you also you can also show the Korea, and by moving your pen like this you can show the detail of Korea and China together. To show the consequences and situation of the South China Sea, focusing the detail on this portion will be more important. Okay, so now our focus is in the Indonesia, Philippines and the other Southeast Asian countries. For that, I just draw some island in my map like this. To make the visual imprint. Again, by finishing our Asia, we'll connect our line like this. In terms of Australia, it's not always you need to try this. Instead, I'll normally draw this kind of map of Australia. It seems reasonable. Then in the New Zealand, I make 2 islands just like the Japan. Okay. Now the left portion is the Madagascar, once again 1 island, and the Greenland, once again the inverted Samosa. I think the creator of the earth is in the love of samosa. Okay, so we'll draw one by one. First, America. Okay, so we'll go some leftward movement of our pen, then go down, and then like this, and northern Canada will show only like this. Okay. Oh, sorry, I just forgot to draw this Mexican Gulf of Mexico. So we'll go like this and this. Sounds reasonable, right? Okay. So from here, I'll try to draw the again inverted samosa for the South America. Like this. Okay. Focus upon one thing at a time. We'll make more and more iteration, and you will finally be able to draw the world map. Okay. One inverted samosa for the Greenland. Okay. So we are mostly completed with the North America, South America, and Greenland. For Africa, we'll go in this fashion. As we see, as we saw that the Africa is kind of bulged from here and goes inward and then comes rightward. This is the India. I'll come to the north of the Africa and make the Europe. This is Italy and the football countries, and move my pen to the upward, draw the Norway, Sweden, and move my pen from the Russian territory. Sorry to take your territory from your country, Putin, sorry. And we'll make Kamchatka Peninsula and the Korean Peninsula, China. For India, I will go by this and Philippines, Sri Lanka, Madagascar. Oh, Great Britain. Okay, Japan. Okay, so we are done with the Asia. For I have very little space over here, but if I were to draw the Australia, then I'll draw like this. And for New Zealand, okay, looks reasonable. So the whole world map will in one go. Okay, let's begin. The smooth flow of the pen, no prejudices, no harsh techniques. Okay. I face some sort of difficulty to draw it in my iPad, but if you will do it repeatedly on your pen and paper, then you will finally able to do it within 30 seconds. And in examination, you can show the specific segment. Like for the Atlantic Sea, you just need to show this portion. For the US, just this portion. For South China Sea, just this portion. You will save the significant amount of time, and you will be able to draw all this within the 10 seconds. I hope you like this. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.